This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, there's over $7 trillion of uninsured money that's supposed to be deposited in American banks, okay? So that's over $7 trillion that's not FDIC insured. So if the banks go belly up, you won't get your money. Your money will be gone. And the crazy part is, when Silicon Valley Bank went under, the government covered the uninsured deposits of the big dogs. Okay? The government covered the uninsured deposits of the big dogs. You know why? Because they donate to politicians, because they control our regulatory agencies, because they control our law enforcement agencies. Do you think when these banks go belly up, and I believe they are, do you think the government is going to cover your uninsured deposits? No, they're not going to cover the uninsured deposit for the 99%. They're not going to cover the uninsured deposit for pension funds. They're not going to cover the uninsured deposit for institutions that follow the rules. And I'm going to tell you something else. Even if they wanted to, they couldn't. The FDIC only had a small percentage of cash compared to the money that's sitting in the banks. It is going to be one giant nightmare when the banks start to collapse. A lot of people, even those with insured deposits, are going to find a hard time getting their money. I guarantee you that when they start paying the insured deposits, they're going to pay the big dogs their money first, and then if there's any money left, then retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules, then maybe they might see their money. And the thing is, they know the banks are over leveraged. They try to change the rules to make the banks keep more cash on hand. And the banks talked to their buddies and got that reversed. Okay? So the banks take our money and then they make bad investment decisions with our money. And then when it goes belly up, the CEOs, the big dogs in the bank, take golden parachutes, they bail out, they sell their shares before anybody knows that the bank's in trouble. And they always leave retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules holding the bag. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that FDIC, the government, is gonna give back money that's uninsured to depositors like they did for the Silicon Valley Bank depositors? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.